Not a single soul to be found. I just didn't think you would leave so soon. It's been far too long!
So you're the boy.
Today we're testing one of the coolest new LoRas to hit Civet AI, the retro 90s anime-style LoRa for LTX 2.3. This thing is trained on over 300 clips from classics like Akira, Cowboy Bebop, Ghost in the Shell, Perfect Blue, and irresponsible Captain Tyler. It doesn't just copy the look, it actually learns the motion of 90s anime because the entire dataset is video-based. We're talking grainy cell shading, dramatic pans, that iconic 4:3 aspect ratio vibe, all baked into a single LoRa you can trigger with an M-Sty. So let's fire it up, run some tests, and see how close we can get to that lost OVA energy. Before we proceed to the actual testing, let us all give credit to the creator of this LoRa, Tasmanner. Give him a follow on X and on Civet AI. First thing we need to do is download the LoRa file into our LoRa folder. After that, we need to choose that LoRa from my favorite LoRa loader node, Power RG3 LoRa Loader. I will share the workflow in the description. We will be using 1280 by 720 resolution and we will set the FPS to 50. For our first test, let us actually try to recreate the sample from Civet AI. I will simply copy the prompts and copy them into Comfy UI. Inside the Comfy UI workflow, go inside the subgraph, look for the positive prompt and negative prompt, and simply replace them with the ones we copied. After that, run the prompt by clicking on the blue Run button, then we wait for the results. The video is now complete. Let's have a look.
Not a single soul to be found.
Not bad at all, not exactly like the original, but I am very happy with the results. Now let's make our own prompt. This prompt, as you can see, has a different aesthetic, and I will also change the resolution to full 1080p, and also I will enable the enhancer LoRa to make it crisp.
The path is shifting again. Looks like the real journey starts now.
Wow, that was really good. That 9-second video took me 9 minutes to generate on my RTX 5090, and I also think the enhancer LoRa really helped with the quality of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and leaving a comment. Thank you.